Hello friends, welcome in Ankita's Tech Tutorials. In today's class, we are going to learn list tag in HTML. In list tag, there are three types: ordered list, unordered list and definition list. So let's start learning list tag. Here I have HTML code and in body section we are going to write here list tag. So first we will see UL means unordered list. For that we have UL tag. Basically unordered list means bulleted list. So here we will write close UL and in that we have to write list. This list tag is a nested tag. So UL for unordered list and li for a list. Actual list we have to write in a li. So I am going to write here some fruits name. Close li. Copy this line and paste it down. I want to see there 5 fruits name. So this is now total 5 times. I will change this fruits name. You can write any list, that is your choice. Banana. So my list is done. Now I will go to file menu to save this file. I will write here list.html. Save it. Go to desktop and open your file. See, the result is displayed. The list of fruits is displayed in a bullets. Unordered list means UL tag is used to see bulleted list. Now in the same program we will do changes, that we will change the type of list. On the place of UL I will write here OL, ordered list. O for ordered. Save these changes and go to browser, refresh. See, this list is displayed in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we learn here, two tags, OL for ordered list and UL for unordered list, and in that li tag. Sometime we want to see this list in our choice number. For example, I want to see this list starting from 101. So this is little advanced part of the HTML. So for that purpose we have here attributes. First see what is attributes. Attributes provides us additional information about HTML tags. For OL tag we have two attributes, that is start and type, and in that type these are the values A capital, small, Roman capital and Roman small. In UL tag attribute name is type and values are this, circle and square. Let's see what is the use of these attributes. First we will see OL tag attribute. Attribute always write in the starting tag. So here OL tag attribute, that is start, is equal to value. I want to see these numbers from 101. So I will save this work and browser, refresh. See, my list is starting from 101. That's it. This is the start attribute. Now next attribute is type and value capital A. Save this, browser, refresh. List is displayed in a capital ABCD. Same way, one more example we will see. On the place of A, I am going to write here small I. Save this and browser, refresh. Now my list is in small Roman numerals. That's it. Now we will see the attribute of UL tag. So here on the place of OL I am going to change that UL and their type is square. and here also we have to change close UL. Save it, go to browser and refresh. Same list displayed with square bullets. See again, if I type here circle, save, browser, refresh, see the bullets is changed. This is blank circle. Hope you understand this. So next list tag, that is definition list, means DL. DL close, and in that two sub elements, that is DT and DD. DT for definition term, and DD for definition description. So in between this we have to write our text, that is CPU then monitor and keyboard. Save this work. See hardware, CPU, monitor and keyboard. These parts are displayed here. Now in the same program we will add more lines. Copy this line here, DT, and here I will write software. Means my next term is software, and in that I will type here software part, that is Windows, then MS Office and Paint. Now I will save this work, go to browser and refresh. See, this is the use of definition list. In definition list there is a DT. DT means definition term. So here I have two terms, hardware and software, and in that definition description means DD, CPU, monitor, keyboard, Windows, MS Office, Paint. So this is all about list tag in HTML. Hope you understand this. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt about HTML, then you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.